Welcome to Rocket Science. In Rocket Science, we discuss pre-installed applications, external applications, tips, tricks, just various different things about your PC that can enhance your experience or assist you in maintenance or just regular PC productivity. Today we're going to be discussing TreeSize. TreeSize is a downloadable application that will display your various files and folders and the amount of space these files or folders take up on your hard drive. Well, what's the benefit? That allows you to analyze your system and regain back that free space depending on what was installed or if you even need it. Let's go ahead and take a look at TreeSize. I already have the application downloaded and installed. It's the free version, and let's go ahead and go through it. So I'm going to click Start and click TreeSize Free. Now I'm going to select what drive I want scanned. So this can scan external drive, internal drives, solid state drives, just various spaces that can be consumed on your system. So I'm going to click Start Scan, and I'm going to click on my C drive. Now, as you can see, it's starting to already scan the system and list the files and folders that it discovered. We see we have the total size for the hard drive, the size also in the size table, the amount of space that's allocated, the amount of files, folders, and percentage usage. Now, let's go ahead and give TreeSize a test drive to see its true benefits. So I'm going to click under Users where I see 5.9 gigs. Let's see what's taking up that amount of free space. I'm going to click under the lab account. Desktop, we see that's the most amount of space that's used in this entire directory. And I'm going to look at the files. It says we have 5 files on the desktop. I'm going to click that. And we see we have a text file that's 4.7 gigs in space. Okay, well, let's go ahead and navigate to our desktop. And we see that same file here with that amount of space that's used. Now, of course, I don't need a 5 gig text file, so I'm going to right click and hit delete. Now, if I scan the system again, we should see that text file gone. I'm going to go back, that's page file, and as you can see, it dropped down to 1.2 gigs. Like I said, TreeSize is a great application to help you find various, whether it's applications or files that's taking up used space that you don't really need. And it's always great to get back that used space. So this will kind of tighten down your system. I hope you guys enjoyed this course. I hope you guys enjoyed the entire ComputerCavalry.com experience. Please leave reviews, visit the website, join, subscribe, join the Cavalry. That's what it's all about. When you need backup, call in the Cavalry.